What is good, YouTube? Hope you are doing well. Today is the 22nd of April. I'm gonna be back testing uh day 356. So yeah, hope you enjoy this. I'm a bit sick, so excuse my voice and you know, hang in there and see if you can get some value from this video. Now I'm setting up some stuff in YouTube Studio so that the video can be as good as it should. But I do think we're good to go. So I'm gonna be doing this session here, London session 2025 IFVGs. I'm gonna be, you know, checking like can I actually make Mr. work in London, and then if we manage to finish it, I can backtest like last year's August because I want to see how could we have behaved during those all-time high situations, because as of now we are in all-time high situations. So remove all these drawings. Here's go daily. Currently prices oh, actually we'd like to go to the 1 minute here and go to the next London session. Okay, current price is displacing higher 4 hour. It's displacing higher. We've inversed this gap here. I do believe we might like get this high if price is good enough. Now wait, then wait, and there it goes. So we get a genuine 5 minute gap retracement, and I mean 15 minute and the 5 minute as well. Now I mean I'm still bullish, so I'd like to just like long it right away. Might even be like a 1 hour, who knows. Now we're still in this 15 minute here. I'd like to see if this 15 minute here inverses. Well, we have this 5 minute FVG here that I think we can take longs on, with the break even level being here, something like this. Then like took it all the way to these highs. I can be risking 1% and see how it goes. Right, trail to break even. Honestly, the thing I've found with these like high win rate models, they have quick break even trails, and most of the times they have more break even trades and losses. So if it's a break even, it's like, you know, a loss to this, but it's okay because we end up getting the break even there. I mean, not bad, but wow. So we end up not getting longs. Looks like shorts are now holding. We have this low here. Now if we're to go lower, this will generally be the time. If gonna trace into a 15 minute, which it looks like we didn't, but it's an internal like liquidity run this high here. Okay, there goes the 15 minute. Now I'd like to see if there's like a 2 minute that inverses so that I can take shorts. Yeah, good trades here. Maybe we could have shorted somewhere inside here, but it looks like there wasn't any opportunity to long here. Currently we're displacing lower. We might even keep going lower, who knows. We have these lows here. I'd like to see if this gap here holds, then take longs. So you can see that we are in discount of this price leg. and the 2 minute has failed to inverse. Oof, that was a crazy drop. By the way, I think we're at all-time highs here as well. All-time highs, yeah. All-time high, so it's just basically the same thing. Hitting all-time highs, I would expect like price to simply go higher, though most sometimes not even like that. So for example, now you can see that we just inversed, and I think we can try out longs here. See if price can like go all the way to these relatively equal highs. Then maybe trail like at this high here. Ooh, that's not good. Bro, it's stop loss by a few ticks. Yikes. So you can see it's like 15-minute fair value gap, 5-minute gap here. Okay, I think I can move to break even after like we have this high here run. Trail it. If it's a break even, it's a break even. I'd rather get break even than get, stopped out aggressively. And it's like around here. Yeah. And it looks like we're gonna get stopped out either way. Just like that. I think London is cursed because it's way too choppy. Like every single time it's choppy, to be honest. Uh, Wow, man. I think some village people are not happy because of progress I'm making with this session. I'm getting very, very, very sick. Alright, 4 hour. We have this unfilled gap. The price is currently drawing to 1 hour on the other hand. Failed. We're still consolidating, but like, we'll see which way it runs first. You'll have to see these highs here get run. Right there it goes. And if this inverses, we're obviously gonna go to the all-time highs. Let's let it like this. Ah, bro, the hell? Oh yeah, I wasn't. This wasn't my session though. We're tracing into this beautiful fair value gap here. Looks like we're gonna leave this placing high. I don't know if London might hit all-time high, but it will be good if we can. We've been break even, and this has been like 3 days already, so quite insane. This is just day's high. I mean, last day's high at 9 a.m. I have a 15-minute here that we can trace to. good so far. Yeah, this is a good inverse though. Then we can have like longs. Just easy 1-to-1 longs. Nah. What 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 kind of TP edge is this, bro? 316 and what's the high here? 296. This one here, 296. Ah, bro. Let's just trail because I'm pretty sure that I would have trailed anyways. This got proved. Might not hold. We might as well like just go to these lows here. What kind of move is this, man? This is not really serious. Like every single time. I 2-minute inverse here could be some short. Control it like this. Well, TP too curious to be honest. Alright, next London Sash. $50 are actually currently going up quite good. I do think we can take some longs to be honest, because we're recovering from this liquidity run here. I think we can just try out longs here. Stop this low here. Can genuinely like have all the way to this high here. Take off most of the thing here. break even. Now let's see if we can have full TP. Don't tell me yes is gonna read it. If yes runs it first time, I'm very surely gonna close it. And bang. Let's take profit right there at this candle 422. Very beautiful. Ooh. You can see it was a very beautiful 15-minute gap here that was all day. Very nice. Now we go to the next London session. It looks like we're barely displacing lower. We don't have like any bearish draws to be honest, except if we're like going to rebalance this move here. This one right here. Probably like go to these lows. And the 15-minute. Okay. I think on this inverse we can try shorts. Nah, 2-minute didn't inverse. So looks like we end up displacing higher from this huge gap without going to discount. And obviously that means we're just gonna go to the next day. Because why not? Oh shoot, I'm always missing the Londons. Next London. There's this gap here. Can probably like have this low here as the draw. Tap into a 30-minute gap. Maybe this will be the chance to go lower, but honestly, look this 4 hour, man. Look at this consolidation, man. And I do think that this is just a simple retracement. We're gonna take long soon here. Let's slow down session. Still all-time highs, bro. Trading all-time highs is really hard. This was a good gap here, though. I think we can try these 5 minute IRPG longs here. Because I think this 4 hour obviously is gonna hold, and I'll obviously trill to break even like around here, and probably like this high here. Ooh, this is a bad step out. First loss of this backtesting sesh. Look, London is not really my thing. And I really hate the fact that London is the session where like uh it's morning in my time zone, the time zone that I live in. Like the morning is London, then the afternoon I'm able to trade New York. So it's quite dumb. This is a good one for can get any ability to enter long. But I don't think this was a good inverse here. I can take another long from and see if we can have a 1-to-1 at least. Something like this. Be serious. You just really can't run this high. If you can break above this high, then I would like more to break even. So there's some sort of SMT at the lows so far. Okay, we trail to break even, bro. We were like a few ticks away from getting stepped out. We are literally barely surviving. And was that TP or break even? Let's check. Closed positions. No way, it was break even. So this 555 kind of just rigged us. Have a good liquidity run here. I think that we can keep going higher. We're currently also in this 4 hour gap here that could cause some trouble. But I do genuinely think that we can have longs. This is a good time to long here, to be honest. Yeah, and bring 1 to 1 against hit. Damn. Well, checking the 4 hour looks like we're still bullish. I don't think that we're still bullish. Didn't could have like this low here hold. I mean this gap here get retraced too. And we're still having some bullish movements. Hopefully. If we don't hit all-time highs right away, because it looks like it. And bang, we hit all-time highs without retracement to any POI. What kind of PA is that? Bro, we literally can't get anything in London. Maybe if this 15 minute here holds. this beautiful 15 right here. Hold on. If it can hold, we can take shots now. So now that looks like we're going higher and aren't having any bullish momentum, we can try out some balls. I think right there is where TP will be, but as of now, it looks like we wouldn't have any. Right, nothing here again. I mean, what in the world is happening? Let's go to the start of London session the next day. Really, I can't even get a hold of it. Alright, 15-minute gap retracement. Get a very beautiful 2-minute inverse. We can try out another 1-to-1. Then we'll have to break even once this high here gets run. And bang. Take profit right there. So we could have banked a 1-to-1, bro. Okay, another day. Looks like we are not even hitting 10k. We have a genuine retracement here and this gap here. I mean, we edge these lows and we have like ES run them. No, it looks like we're bullish now. I genuinely would like to see this 15-minute hold instead. So we end up having those shorts, but you can see it wasn't at this high, so I'm just gonna trade with the bias that I see, and so far the 1 hour it doesn't look good as well, so no trade. Currently trading in London looks like shit. Like literally, actually, I do like it because then maybe I wouldn't be taking as much trades. So like the less trades I take and risk more on them, then I will be making bank. Can have like this guy here. I think this is a good time to try longs here at this closure, considering that we have this small 15-minute here holding 5-minute pressing this gap and so on. Now we can have like this is a break-even level, but I'm really quite skeptical about this. Like the low time frame is BS. I mean, you can't get. I'm not really getting anything from it. Right there, and we wait, and bang, we back another 1-to-1. I do believe now. Oh yeah, okay. I'm hitting 10k. I have a very good liquidity run. Looks like we might displace higher. We also had this beautiful fair value gap here. Stay with this. I mean, I didn't take it because we don't have any IFVGs, don't have like I don't have any reason to try it along, so I'm just gonna take with this. But maybe if I had a huge stop, then and a huge target, now longs would be great. Okay, nothing here. Next London session. Okay, so on the next day, checking the daily, we are yesterday was quite bullish. I mean, we also got it from New York session. Most of that move. Now the 4 hour is currently displacing higher as well. Now we are retracing, so I'd like to see what do I think the next hour would look like. We are currently in this very beautiful fair value gap, so maybe we can have this high here. Get a good retracement lower. Now, if you can also notice that we had a small FVG here, but well, it looks like we get an even better retracement here. Ooh. All right, looks like I gotta wait. You have this 4 hour and a 1 hour, and would have been good if this low had been run. But it looks like it was acting as a rejection block then. So it's something like this. And we also have another liquidity on here. And we also have a 15-minute inverse, but then entering call here will be quite high, to be honest, because this should be the break-even level. So let's see if we can get better entry, like discount of the area or something like that. But we're gonna get that. Alright, there goes 5-minute retracement. We are so close, bro. I have a small liquidity run here, then get something like this. Well, we have these gaps here holding these two gaps, so we genuinely might have like a small scalp once these relatively go highs here, or even higher, like to this unfilled gap. Can have something like this. Bro, would edge the break-even level by a few ticks again. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out. Well, trading London is absolute bullshit. Can't get anything out of this. Or it's still quite bullish. But now on the other hand, bullish as well. This 15-minute at a run, so we are currently at all-time highs. I don't know how I'm gonna trade this, but I'm obviously gonna wait for a retracement. Kind of like that one that we just got. Retracement into this 5-minute gap. Can we get yet another 15-minute gap retracement? No, man, London is not the best time to trade, to be honest, for this strat, obviously, because 1 minute has inversed. You can see that we also have this. Now, there is a very non-optimal trade that we can take here. Something like we could have like this 1 to 1 here, then maybe like observe how price reacts with this line. But I'm not gonna take this trade because it obviously looks screwed up. It will be just for the purpose of tape trading. Holy shit. Yeah, I would have got stopped out on break even. Okay, this looks good so far. I think the inverse here was good. Yeah, you could have break even now, like around these highs here. Because it was a 15-minute gap holding, we still have all the way to these highs. Can also lock in up to that high. Damn, this will be far better. I don't really think we're gonna have all of that. And this is break even that we can see here. BE level hits break even and full stop. Okay, quite insane. Okay, excuse me. Okay, so break even day here again, man. If you check the charts here, no, not the chart, the statistics of this thing, it's absolutely dumb. Settings, session results. It looks very bad. Like July 2025 or June. Look at this, 1.65k when we had 2.5 weeks and 2.12k weeks. Look at these losses. All Mondays. For July, many days were break even. I think it was because I was, I think a little bit too conservative here. So not bad. But then the other months, absolute bullshit. So it looks like July is over soon. We're currently in August. August was 2 wins, 1 loss. This is how London looks like. I mean, would look like if I were to trade it. But either way, I'm at work, so I'm obviously not gonna be trading this. We have this gap here, so we can retrace to it. I mean, we can run this low, sorry. Retracing to a 30-minute gap. Then we get a good 5-minute closure. We have these inverses. I think the 30-minute closed quite good. Let's just try shorts and see how it goes. Watch out for these lows, this low here, and more LR here. Would like to move to break even if we can see this low here, get around these two lows here, the 2 week lows. get stopped out before price can even move a tick into profit. This is one of those trades where they say when you enter a trade and you don't even see a tick, a single tick of profit. Oof. I mean, it's totally fine. I mean, who cares? Part of the statistic. But to prove that London wouldn't be profitable for me, we're in August. So since until August, trading the exact same thing, I have 9.5k in profit. Like it doesn't make sense. So not bad, but then could be better. Okay, next London session. We can move like to this high here though. Have these ones here. Consider that this is the 1 hour this side. Do you think this was from like yesterday's New York, even though it looks like it was a consolidation? Then we have this tracement, like after this little tracement to discount. Now we're pushing higher. We have a small fair value gap here. So we end up having this small gap here that I think that we can long from. And I'll probably try something like this. Bro, what kind of break even is this? Well, in the live markets, I'm pretty sure I would have trailed like somewhere here though, because why would we have this moment and start stalling out like this? London is a piece of shit. Like I don't think you would get okay. I don't think I would get profitable trading London. Look at this win rate and look at the average win loss, like 2R, but 40%, close to 40% win rate. Let me show you something on the streak calculator. So let's say we had 50k here, then we have like a 39% win rate and 2R 1 point, I think it was like 1.8. Now if we randomize, you can see that we are in drawdown. Like this was the first try. Let's do 10 tries. 2, 3, the third try we get another loss. You can see most of the times we are in drawdown because of this win right here. Now the minimum win rate for me to get profitable with this risk to reward is 33, and I'm quite close to that by 6%. So either way explains it. Now let's take like 100 trades maybe. What in the world is this? Okay, look at these losses. And okay, 100 trades. You can see that we could have been in profit for 32, and that's a good case scenario where like the return is 64%. Now the worst case scenario, we make 1k over 100 trades, which 100 trades will be like a year or something. Let's see, what if it was like 1000 trades? You can see you can triple the account. 1000 trades is I do think in a year one can take like 200 trades approximately, because wait, so if I were to take like 20 trade, no, who takes 20 trades a month? Okay, I do think the trading days are like 20, so let's say maybe you take like 18, or best case scenario you take many trades, that's 20. So if it's 20 times 12, that's gonna be 240 trades a year. Now if it's 240 trades a year, then that's obviously gonna be like 3 years, more than 3 years to actually get to this. So let's see if it was like 240 trades a year. Trading London session from 50k, I can make just 13k. So trading London is not my cut. So I won't be doing it. I don't think I can trade London. I mean, I might taper it so that maybe in case like I optimize my strategy better, like I will can make it happen. But as you can see, like with these kinds of statistics, I can't. I really can make it. Compare it to where I trade like gold in London, because I do think gold during London and the kill zones, I'm good at it. Even for gold, I think for gold, like I'm good during like the kill zones, London, even in New York sometimes. But for the Nasdaq, it's solely New York. Like the other sessions bum me out. Maybe Asia sometime, because Asia also can look quite good. But I guess this is just proof that I should just stick to one session. Then I will get better at it. So that being said, that's where today's backtesting session ends. Have a good night. See you all tomorrow. Peace.